How to delete contacts on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete contacts on iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and open your iOS device and then make sure it is upgraded into the iOS 26 version. And then in here, look for the contacts application, and then once you find it, click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be able to find all of the list of the contacts that you have on your device. So click on the contact that you want to delete and then click on this edit button at the top right of that contact. And then from here, scroll down at the very bottom and you'll find this delete contact option. Click on this delete contact option to confirm deleting this contact from your contacts. So take note that deleting is permanent unless contacts are backed up in iCloud or another service. And if you only want to hide contacts, disable the account sync instead of deleting. So for bulk management, iCloud is the fastest method for you to delete multiple contacts. And that is how you can basically delete contacts on iPhone.